Hi everybody! Guess what I got from Osaka? These great steamers! Well, I just fell in love with this beautiful steamer in Osaka, so I brought this back. Well, today I'm going to make Chawanmushi. I think eggs recipes are just so complicated. Well, it's actually simple. That's why it's just so difficult. But I have so much time now because it's a stay-home time. I think it's a great chance to try this chawanmushi out with this beautiful steamer. Chawanmushi. The ingredients are boiled shrimp, an egg, chicken breast, dried shiitake mushroom, dashi, and soy sauce. First of all, you have to calculate the egg to find out how much dashi I will need, because the ratio between the egg and dashi is just so important. The ratio of egg to dashi is 1 to 5. Okay, so the egg is 55 grams. So, I will need 275 grams of dashi. And this time, I'm going to use the dashi from the dried shiitake mushroom, which I really love. Then, I'm just going to add the dashi for the rest of the numbers. Please mix it gently to try not to make bubbles. If you really mix it well, the batter is all ready. Oh, I forgot to add the soy sauce. And mix it really well again. Now, I'm just gonna filter this batter to make it really smooth. You can filter it twice to make it really smooth if you like. It's not unnecessary. Now, get the containers. Put diced chicken, shiitake mushrooms, then the butter. Again, pour it in as gentle as you can. This is one of the important things that I'd like to care about. Try not to make bubbles. Finally, the boiled shrimps, but just one. Then I'm just gonna decorate with another shrimp afterwards. Although I've been very careful not to make any bubbles, I still have them. So this is very important to take all the bubbles now on top of this batter, as you don't want any holes on chawanmushi when it's steamed. So you have to be very careful taking all the bubbles with anything very sharp. Okay, so it's very smooth now. So it's ready to put them in the special steamer. Yeah! When you steam them, the temperature is very important as well. The water shouldn't be boiling, as whole thing would be dancing around in a steamer. Therefore, about 80 to 90 Celsius would be suitable. Just a final check for the bubbles. Looking good. So, put the lid on to steam it for 12 minutes. Finally, decorate with the shrimps and some green. Anything would be okay. I think it turned out to be really great because how it looks is just so beautiful. It's just like an art. I love it. This is how it should look. I mean, it actually still has a little bubbles, but I don't care because it's much better than what I used to make. Itadakimasu. They're just so beautiful. Well, I always find that Chawanmushi is just so difficult to make because it has to look really smooth and it has to taste or texture should has to be really smooth. But this is just perfect. You can actually feel this dashi. It all came out from all these ingredients like a shrimp, chicken, all these ingredients, shiitake mushrooms. Oh, those are just what I love. Oh wow. Well, if you really concentrate on what you're doing, like even egg recipes, now I know I can actually make it. So I really hope that you can try this out too. I mean, this is going to make you a huge smile. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and please give me a comment. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you.